Welcome to EKTV. Today, strong magnitude 5.0 earthquake was occurred in Japan. The quake hits Japan today, 10th April 2020 to 6 p.m. local time at a very shallow depth. US Geological Survey is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 5.0. European Mediterranean Seismological Center also report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. At the end, please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel for more updates.